Welcome back to landdhome. If you are new, welcome to our channel. We have a cleaning video for you guys today. I'm going to be speed cleaning. We're actually having a little get together here in a few days at the time that I'm filming this. And I need to get some cleaning done, okay? Like throughout almost the entire house. We're not touching every single space, but almost every single space. So I'm just going to be going through it, speed cleaning, getting the stuff done, music, voiceovers, chatting, talking, all of that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and jump. Since we were having company over and we were going to have about 25 people in our house, I wanted to touch some things that I don't always do when I'm cleaning. I didn't scrub baseboards and all of that, but I did do the mirrors and the windows and dusted a little bit because that's something I don't always do when I'm cleaning because I just hate dusting. Honestly, sometimes I take my hand and wipe it off. Don't judge me. I know I'm not the only one out there, but since there were going to be a lot of people kind of buzzing around and some people that are not in our house often, oh my God, I can't talk. Some people that are not in our house often enough where they might be looking around because they haven't been here in 6, 7, 8 months, you know what I mean? Or they've never been here before. I wanted to make sure it looked pretty decent. So I am doing some things that I usually might not do if I'm just doing a weekly cleaning and tidying up and doing the bathrooms and stuff. So I'm putting in a little bit more effort, but at the same time, I'm not deep cleaning here. You are going to see that I'm going to steam clean the floor in this room because our dog likes to have accidents in here, no matter how much we take her out. We just cannot stop it. If you can tell, it is the bane of my existence, to be quite honest, but we still haven't figured it out yet. But we are still working on that with her. But I am going to steam clean for that reason, because I just wanted everything to be fresh and nice. I steam clean daily, bane of my existence, daily. But I want everything to be nice and fresh. Also, I found a really great product I will have linked down below. I got it at Menards, but I will see if they have it on Amazon or something that's easy. I don't know if everyone has Menards around them, but it is a ZEP, Febreze kind of situation. And it comes in a big jug. And I put that in our sprayer, and that has really been helping along with the steam cleaning. And even if I don't have to steam clean, sometimes I'll just come down here in the morning and I spritz the living room and the great room and the hallway, the carpets and the sofa and the curtains and all that with just a little bit of this stuff, and it smells so good and it radiates all throughout the house. And I believe it was under $10 for a big old jug. And it has lasted me quite a while. So highly recommend that product. You are going to see it in my pump sprayer here in a little bit.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight. And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it.
Also, I've said it before, and I'll say it again, the Tineco, it's a must-have. As someone who has majority carpet in her house, I still highly recommend the Tineco. Now, I would get it on sale because it is $270 or something dumb ridiculous. I got mine on sale a year and a half, 2 years ago now, I feel like. It's been a while. I absolutely love it. Love my Tineco for the areas where I can use it. It is absolutely amazing. I will brag on that thing until the cows come home.
Never left a stone unturned. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want.
Most of the extra that I'm doing is really dusting. Like I said, like I'm straightening up, picking things up, putting things back where they belong. I am going to wipe down that table, like the coffee table. We eat on there quite often, and it was, whew, it had seen better days, that's for sure. But I'm just trying to like put some stuff away that like wouldn't really bother me if it's laying around, like cords and tablets and laptops and all that stuff. But I don't want that like laying around when company comes over. And then, like I said, just the dusting, because our house gets so dusty. I think we might need to have our air vents cleaned. If you have ever had your air vents cleaned, like let me know if it is worth it, because I know that it is not cheap, and we are not rich. Okay, like we are, hoo-hoo, you know what I mean? Like sometimes we be struggling depending on the month. But I am curious, if you have had your air ducts ever cleaned, did you find it worth it? Would you recommend doing something like that? Did it help on allergens? Did it help with dust? Like, let me know in the comments down below, because I am genuinely curious, because we have not had them cleaned since we've been here. We've been here like 7 years, I want to say, or something crazy like that. And I don't know if they've ever been cleaned, to be honest. Like that wasn't in like the listing when we purchased the house. So who knows the last time they were cleaned. But let me know in the comments down below, because I don't want to waste money, but I am curious if it is worth it.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow.
Old lady Bella Marie here was so annoyed because she was living her best life, relaxing, laying all over the place, until I came over here with this vacuum. And she was like, Mom, really? Like for real, you did that to me? I swear, she just tires out so quickly. It must be so hard being a dog. No, she's absolutely adorable. I love her so much. But like, she'll just louse around all day, and then she'll like look at me with this like yawn, and just like she's so exhausted. And I'm like, oh, it must be so exhausting being a pampered pup. You know what I mean? Like you must just be spent. Let me know also in the comments if you have any pets, dogs, cats, whatever they are, and if you consider them family members or not, because I most definitely do, but I know not everybody feels that same way. You are going to see like a pause here. I am vacuuming the pillows. I thought I was on camera. I was not on camera. So just, bear with me while I was off screen there for a little bit. I also have a wondering for you guys. So you're going to see me clean the railings here. You've seen me clean the railings in videos before. They get absolutely disgusting, nasty. Like we have a lot of white in this house, and I feel like the railings get the most disgusting, and the baseboards like right in a certain part of the hallway and a certain part of the kitchen. Like everything else seems to do just fine. I have considered painting them black. So this bottom part I'm dusting right now, I would leave that white, but then paint everything else black. I don't know. Let me know what you think that would look like, because it's kind of like they're raised. Like, I don't know if you can see over there in the very right-hand corner as I'm vacuuming, it like the metal bars don't go all the way down. So like, I don't know if it would look okay, but like, let me know. Let me know what you think.
Someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
full disclosure, I already did a bathroom. So I did our bathroom. I just did that off camera, and guests are not going to be using that, but I wanted to clean it like just for us. This whole cleaning excursion took me about 3 hours. It was about 2.5 hours on film, but like I said, I did like straighten up our bedroom a little bit, clean our bathroom just for us, not for guests. I put like some blankets and stuff in the washer and the dryer. I didn't do anything like major off camera, but there were a few things that I did off camera. So I'm like accounting about 30 minutes for those things. So about 3 hours of cleaning on this day, just to kind of spruce it up to have people over. And I didn't think that was too bad because I could spend an entire like work day, like 8+ hours cleaning if like I was like in the zone and wanted to get every nook and cranny. Do you know what I mean? Like I could spend so long cleaning because I enjoy it and I enjoy the way it looks when it's done. So 3 hours, not too bad to touch all of the areas that I did. So I was pretty okay with that. Like it didn't take my whole day. I still had time to relax later and do other things. So I was not mad at it.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind?
I sometimes like to save the kitchen for one of like the very last things that I'm going to be doing because that's kind of like the hub, which means that's like if something needs to go in another room, I chuck it in the kitchen. If I'm rinsing out like my cleaning rags, I'm doing it in the kitchen sink. Like if I'm changing the Tineco water, I'm doing it in the kitchen sink. Like a lot of stuff happens in the kitchen as I'm cleaning. So like when I clean that first, sometimes I find like, ooh, that motivates me. But then sometimes I'm like, okay, well now I got to re-clean this sink and the counter because I've splashed stuff everywhere. So there are times where I like to save the kitchen for last because I know that's probably one of the dirtiest parts anyway, food and stuff, but well, maybe not. Bathrooms, gross. Hate cleaning bathrooms. But I know that I'm going to be like using the kitchen a lot while I'm cleaning. So I kind of like to save that to last if I can or if I remember, because it saves me from like having to do double work and double duty later, like cleaning the sink twice or whatever. So just a tip for you, if you use your kitchen a lot while you're cleaning, rinsing things out, dumping things, mop water, whatever the case may be, save that area until the very last thing that you do so you don't have to make more work for yourself.
Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me.
You're going to see my husband pop in on camera just briefly here for a little bit. And he's going to look soaking wet. That's because he is. He is mowing the yard. And on this day that he was doing this, it was like 97 degrees felt like over 100. So he was going outside, coming in and sitting in front of our window AC to take some breaks because it was redonkulously hot outside. So he definitely needed some like moments of break. So you're going to see him on camera in a funny little exchange between us here in a second.
Right now. Oh, am I in your video?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, why didn't you say anything?
Because I didn't want to be rude. That's fine. I was just I can pause. You can walk past there. I can pause.
I feel bad because sometimes I'll like pop up the camera and I'll be like, okay, I need to film. I'm doing this. Like I'm doing that. And I like won't say anything to anybody in the house. And then like, so when they come in the room or they start talking to me or like, you know, they're doing something like, I don't want to be like, I'm filming. Do you know what I mean? I don't want it to like come off like, what are you even doing in here? You know, kind of thing. So like, I feel like I just like stop what I'm doing and I don't say anything. But then I'm like, I don't want people in my household to also have the pressure of like, hey guys, I'm filming today, and like have them feel like they can't like come in the room or they can't come talk to me or they can't come get me if they need me, because that's not the case either. You know what I mean? So like sometimes I'm confused with myself about how to handle that. Like, do I announce it because I don't want people to think that they can't bother me, because they can always bother me. I can put down what I'm doing and come back to it. Or do I just like go like, sorry, my throat today, guys. Do I just go like I'm going? But then like, I know that they feel bad when they're like in the middle of like my filming. And then I feel bad having to say like, yeah, I'm filming. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't, the struggles, which is not really a struggle at all because I absolutely love what I'm doing here as this little like side thing. So, but I do sometimes struggle with like how to handle it. You know what I mean? Like tell them to not tell them. Vote down below.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too?
Our stairs, y'all, get absolutely filthy. Like I like stuff from outside. Like I don't even like know. Like there's always so much in this canister when I do the stairs. If you have not seen a recent video where I cleaned, I will have it linked in the cards and down below. And I showed each set of stairs and how much came out of the canister, each set of stairs. And I even did like the little handheld like pet hair remover thing and everything. Like I recommend watching that video to see that part, because like, oh my goodness. Now that I am done for the day, yes, I am done for the day. I'm going to light that candle and I'm going to sit my behind on the couch because I have another full day after this of party prep. So I'm relaxing. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, or at least entertaining, watching me run around clean the house. Make sure you check out the video and that playlist on the screen. And as always, smash that subscribe button, y'all, so you can become part of our YouTube family. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.